I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make breakfast smash burgers with the lot. So just sit back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. We're going to need some meat, and I grabbed some Italian casalinga sausages from Gippsland Premium Meats. So first up, we just want to take the sausage mince out of the casings and we're just going to weigh them out to 100-gram balls. I know you're still saying to yourself, we're getting breakfast burgers and breakfast beers today. We'll also need a few other ingredients to make our smash burgers today. Potato buns, bacon, tomatoes, potatoes, eggs, portobello mushrooms and some Swiss cheese. Plus we'll also be making a tomato relish just to top off our burgers. I hope you're keeping up, no need to take notes, the recipe's in the description. So time to make our tomato sauce, and it's pretty easy. Into a pot we're going to put some passata, some garlic and onion powder, raw sugar. That's actually not raw sugar. Dark brown sugar, a hit of Tabasco sauce, and a bit of seasoning. Just a little pinch of salt and pepper. Just heat this over a medium heat until it's all dissolved. 5 minutes should be long enough. Once it's all dissolved, put it aside and let it cool down. We can now get the rest of the ingredients ready, and I'm going to start with the tomatoes. And we're just going to slice them, and then we're just going to lightly season them with a bit of salt and a little pepper. Next up, we've got the mushrooms. We're just going to remove the stalks. Both of them. And we'll just give these a bit of a coat of olive oil, brush it all over, and some seasoning with some salt and a little bit of pepper. Flip them over and we'll do the same with the top. Now we just need to grate some potato and then just squeeze out the excess moisture. Moist.
That was the doggiest face.
And then we just want to lightly oil that, season it with salt and a little pepper. You can mix it up. And separate that into rough patty sizes. The more liquid you can squeeze out of the potatoes, the better the hash browns are going to be. Today, I'm using my FT400 flat top Weber. Charcoal, hot plate, gas top, cooker, doesn't matter as long as the grill is flat. Turn on the liquid charcoal, and we're going to let that warm up for 10 minutes. How do you know if your hot plate's hot enough? If you don't want to put your tongue on it, it's hot enough. First up, we need to oil it up. Don't be shy, get plenty of it on there. We'll put the mushrooms on first, gill side down. We're going to give them about 5 minutes either side. Now we're going to pop on those hash browns. Ooh, you want that sizzle. Just going to flatten them out a bit. And we're going to get on our bacon. We're at the 5 minute mark, so we can now start flipping everything over. Start with the mushrooms. And you can use a little bit of pressure and just try and flatten them out a bit. Not too much or you'll split them. Our hash browns can be flipped. Oh, look at that. And the bacon. And we can get on our patties. And we're going to smash these down. Oh, we can get on our tomato. And time for some egg. Flip the tomato, time to flip the patties. Oh, look at that. And time for Swiss cheese, 2 slices on each. And time for the burger buns. Let's just give them a nice little toast up. It's all coming along really well. We just now have to construct our burger. So we're going to take the buns off the heat now. All right, we're going to just start with a little bit of our sauce on the bottom bun. Don't forget to give the top one a little bit of that loving too. First up, hash brown. Next up, the burger patty and cheese, mushroom, piece of bacon, tomato, and an egg. And we just want to top it off, and let's hold it in place with a little skewer. This would be a great time to subscribe to the channel. While you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button is going to allow you to be notified every time I make burgers like this. Today, I'm cooking with a high direct heat, and these breakfast smash burgers are only going to take around 10 minutes to cook. Or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. That's only 10 minutes to finish your drink, so get drinking. Look at all that yummy goodness. And a shout out has to go to Ben for the idea on this one. So much so, I'm gonna dub these breakfast smash burgers the Big Ben. Wow, these are seriously that good? They should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.